We're diving into a crucial topic: safe electrical wiring.
Whether you're a seasoned DIY or just starting out, these quick tips will help you stay safe and confident when working with electricity. Tip number 1. Always turn off the power. Before you even think about touching a wire, make sure to switch off the circuit breaker or remove the fuse for the area you'll be working in. Tip number 2. Use the right tools and materials.
Invest in quality tools designed for electrical work, and always use materials that meet safety standards. Cheap tools or subpar materials can lead to dangerous situations.
Tip number 3. Plan your wiring carefully.
Take the time to map out your wiring project beforehand, considering factors like load capacity, wire size, and routing.
Proper planning can prevent overloads, shorts, and other hazards down the line. Tip number 4. Insulate and secure your connections. Proper insulation and secure connections are essential for preventing shocks, fires, and other hazards. Use insulated connectors, tape, and conduit where necessary, and ensure all connections are tight and properly sealed. Tip number 5. Test your work before closing up.
Once you've completed your wiring project, test all connections and circuits to ensure everything is functioning properly. It's much easier to address any issues now than after everything's sealed up and installed. And there you have it.
Quick tips for safe electrical wiring.
Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and powered up.